back to my channel. I am so excited because we are finally going to clean the entire house and decorate for the holidays. I cannot tell you how much I love Christmas. It is my favorite holiday, and you can ask Chance. I was literally just freaking out thinking about filming this video today. You might see that the house is a little crazier than normal, and one of the things that makes it a little crazier than normal is the fact that we currently don't have a couch because we sold it. So that is something we're currently working through. It's something that will look a little funky right now, but hopefully by the end of the year we have a couch. Hopefully by like the end of like next week we have a couch. Stay tuned for that. And I also want to warn you that this will be a two-part video at least. So make sure you're subscribed down below and ring the bell notification so that when part 2 comes out, you're there ready to watch it. All right, let's get into it. First thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and gather all of this Christmas stuff and push it off to the side. When you have a small apartment, it's really unfortunate because you don't normally have extra rooms that you can put this stuff in while you're decorating. So if you have to clean just a small section at a time and slowly work your way through the house, then do whatever you gotta do to get the space clean. But this is where we wanna put our tree, so we're just cleaning this up so that we can go ahead and put up our brand new tree. If you did see my last video, you would have saw that I scored this tree secondhand, brand new in the box for just $5. I'll link that video here for you all.
Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday.
Since this tree wasn't pre-lit, we're gonna go ahead and add our lights, and we got 3 boxes of lights from Target. $3 per box. And a good hack for you when you're decorating a tree is if something looks off, it normally means that you need more lights. This can even apply to when you're hanging garland. If something looks off, if it doesn't look full, if it doesn't feel like you're getting the full effect, just add more lights.
We'll tumble around in the snow.
So a life hack for you guys is I take these twist ties. You can take them from the twist ties that your lights came with or off your bread ties or wherever. But I take these twist ties and I put them at the end of the outlet. And whenever I need to secure this in my tree, I take this twist tie and I wrap it around so that I don't have any outlet hanging or have to worry about anything metal getting near there. I'll know that it's secured to the middle of the tree. And then I just take the ends and push them down, and you can hardly notice them once you hang ornaments there. Life hack!
Just talking on the phone, I'll make you feel at home. Oh, when I got you by my side.
Now that the lights are on, I'm going to go ahead and add this deco mesh ribbon, and I'm just doing little poops here and there. I did them about every 8 to 10 inches, and I love the way this looks, but you'll see here that I do run out of mesh, but I finish the job later on in the video. Make editing Tiana upset. Ain't that right, girl? And then that's when I'm gonna be editing and be like, Okay, so I have to stop the video here because Chance just said the most genius thing to me that I didn't even think about.
I just figured since we had a flat tree, since this is in the vaulted ceiling area, that this is the snowy outside, and then everything in here won't be having snow on it. It'll just be like regular Christmas. And then we'll hang icicles right there, because this is like you're stepping into the outside and the ice is
right there where that seam is between the two colors. My babe is a genius. So we're gonna have inside and outside Christmas, or at least that's the plan anyways. Alright, so we just got back home from running some errands. We saw yesterday that the teal bulbs that we got from Walmart that I showed you had some cracks in it and some stains in it. We thought it was really weird. We even checked both boxes, so we just went ahead, returned those, went to Walmart, saw that the ones on the shelf were also cracked and stained, so we're improvising. We picked up 2 boxes of these clear glass ornaments, and we figured that we can go ahead and pour some paint inside of them, get them the color that we want, and then the cool thing about this is if we need more blue, more teal, more white, we can customize them. And we did make sure that these did not have any cracks or holes in them because tea. The next thing I picked up from Walmart is the really awful 97-cent spray paint. But the reason I picked this up is because the coverage is awful, and Glue Guns and Roses, an awesome DIY channel here on YouTube that I'm sure you might have heard of, says that this is a great product to use for easy flocking on any of your garland or tree or DIYs. So that's what I picked this one up for. And then to make our teal ornaments, we went ahead and picked up some acrylic paint. We got 2 bottles of the apple barrel, and it's in, it's in the color Acapulco. We went ahead, picked up a second pink cupcake like I said we would if we were out and about. I picked up 2 of these really cute little pink snowman ornaments. I thought this would work. Plus it was feeling like we might be a little heavy on the blue tone. So some more pink was really nice. And then we also picked up this really cute little Santa in a pink hat, and he has the same little fluffy sprinkles on him, or I guess they're glitters, the same fluffy sprinkle glitter things that the cupcakes have. And then the last thing we picked up at Walmart is cute little llama. She's so cute. She's killing it. 2020's been good to her. Oh, and last thing, I lied. The last thing we picked up at Walmart was this cheetah print, leopard print throw. It doesn't really specify leopard or cheetah. Well, it's this animal print throw. It was only $5, and so we thought this would be really cute for this time. And we also feel like we could use this year round. So we went ahead and picked this up because we have a blanket obsession. It's fun! Then, long story short, I had 5 items that I needed to return to the Dollar Tree, but they don't do refunds, they do exchanges. So we went ahead and picked up 6 more items and just paid that $1 difference to go ahead and get a few more Christmas things. Honestly, I wish we would have went here for window clings to begin with. If you saw my last video, you saw that we did pick up some window clings from Walmart, but I love these even more. This one is this really cute vintage looking window cling art. It has these really soft colors but still very traditional. I love that it has the holographic glitter on here. It's just so cute and pretty. We're gonna use this on our window and maybe even in the kitchen. And then this one matches more of our big Christmas tree theme. It's got these gingerbread cookies with this nice beautiful glitter and those pink and red accents with the white in there as well. It's so pretty. I can't wait to use these. This find I was kind of mad about because if you saw my last video, you would have saw that I spent $1 on a white bottle brush tree that looks just like this, literally the exact same base and everything. So the fact that I can get 2 for $1 at the Dollar Tree, you win some, you lose some. And then yesterday we ran out of our white deco mesh, so I went ahead and picked up 3 more rolls from the dollar store because I do plan on using this in some of our garland. Anyways, let's get back into the video. Here you'll see me sorting through my wallflower refills, and I am searching for the perfect Christmas scent. Unfortunately, I had tons of summer ones. I went ahead and went with Marshmallow Fireside, which just so happens to be Chance's favorite. Before I plug it in, I'm going to go ahead and wipe it clean with my Mrs. Meyer's spray to avoid any of that build up, because sometimes I feel like it changes the scent.
The first for you and me. The snow is falling down, and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere.
And now we're just gonna go ahead and clear the clutter in the kitchen and do the dishes.
Everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else.
So I already did a haul of what I bought this year for Christmas, but I am going to quickly show you what we're thinking about using in this space. We have this toy train that we got last year. We went ahead, we had to buy some more ornaments because our DIY ornaments just were giving us a hard time. So we have these big pink ones and these little blue ones. I picked up a couple more ornaments from Walmart. We have some window clings that we want to use in the kitchen. We have a new tree skirt. We've been wanting this tree skirt for years, but we just keep putting it off. Then I have some Dollar Tree bows, a Dollar Tree wall decor. It's a reindeer. I bought some more mesh, lots of it because we ran out. We have some of our decorative ornaments, new and old. We have some old tinsel. We don't really use the foil stuff anymore, so we're gonna see if we can still make use of it. I went ahead and picked up this wall decal. It's a wall art and it's removable, and it was only $3. And for such a big space to cover, it's gonna be such a big bang for my buck. Then I have this old advent calendar that I've had for 6 years, maybe, a long time, but we're gonna use that. Those Dollar Tree ornaments I showed you. We got this little tree from the thrift store and it's pre-flopped. Got my oven mitt, a dish towel, and then our tree topper that we've had for 5 years now. The whole time we've been dating practically. All right, and let's go ahead and get started.
A snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, family's near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share.
All day yesterday I was cooking in my oven. I was meal prep and I had my oven on around 375, 400 degrees for I want to say 4+ hours. And I went ahead and did an experiment for you. I went ahead and cut off the corner of one of my window clings and I peeled it apart and I put it on the oven to see if anything would happen, if it would melt. I would rather risk it on my oven instead of yours. But something that you can do that I've never seen someone do before is if you don't want to put a towel here, or you don't have decorative towels, or maybe your family just makes them too dirty and you don't want to mess with it, you can easily take a window cling from the dollar store, from Walmart, wherever you want to get them, and you can decorate your oven with window clings. Just like this, and you can even have your kids do it because if you don't like their placement, you can always move it around. This is a fun thing that I thought added a really nice touch to your oven. This isn't something we're gonna be doing this year just because we do have towels that we like and we don't get the towels over on this side of the kitchen dirty all that much, so we're taking a different route, but I thought I'd share this really cute idea with you guys.
What we're gonna do, I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you, I just wanna hold you close.
Alright, and we are moving on to the bar cart, and let me tell you all, this was our favorite thing that we decorated. We didn't really have much of a plan of what we were gonna do. We knew we wanted to use this mini Christmas tree, but other than that, we just completely were winging it, and we absolutely love it.
By the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
Here you'll see me using hairspray on some of these glitter ornaments, and you might have even saw me using hairspray on our flock tree earlier, and this is just a really good Christmas hack to go ahead and spray anything with glitter or fake snow, and it's going to help with the fallout and help you do less cleaning during the holidays.
Ooh, 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 ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful.
He has a nutcracker, and his nutcracker's arm came off. But also, this nutcracker is from 2011, so he's lasted a pretty long time. Now that I finally have the deco mesh finished, we're just gonna go ahead and take our solid color round ornaments. I call these filler ornaments, and we're gonna go ahead and spread these out all throughout the tree before we add on our decorative ones. We also forgot to turn on our Christmas tree lights. We shouldn't have done that, so I highly recommend turn on your lights before you start decorating.
early December morning, no one but we are. We look out the window.
Oh, do you think that donut's too close to the white one?
No. I think it's fine.
Mm.
I think it's fine.
Just like these snowflakes tumbling down, round and round. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling for you, falling for you. Hadn't counted on love for Christmas. This caught me right off guard. But I ain't complaining, it's a one.
Alright, and here is what our kitchen Christmas tree and bar cart look like from afar. I'm going to go ahead and close up on everything. Here is a DIY pillowcase that I made last year from some Target Dollar Spot kitchen tea towels. Here is how our tree looks with all the lights on. It's all done and finished. I absolutely love it. It's so different from anything we've ever done before. And that tree skirt, oh, do we love the tree skirt. And here's the bar cart. We're so proud of how this turned out. We have some fake snow at the bottom here, our favorite San Pellegrino drinks here, the cute little nutcracker, even though he doesn't match. And then we have our cute little thrift store tree, and this reindeer really balanced out the space for just $1. What an impact it made, and Chance had the cute idea to add those red bows, and I really think that just tied everything together. Let me go ahead and take you over here. Here's the kitchen island. We have those plates that we got at TJ Maxx. I showed you those in my last video. These are those Turkish gold and silver plates. And then here is the little tray that used to be on our coffee table, and we have this Christmas lantern here and then a bottle of Blade, keeping it super simple since we do so much kitchen prep on the counter. And then you'll see here that we also, again, didn't do much on top of the counter, but that's again because we do so much kitchen work and prep. Here is that mini oven mitt from Dollar General, and then our kitchen towel here. That's so cute. I love the fun colors. Up here we have our toy train, and then we took some of this foil garland that we no longer use, and we found a new interesting way to display it. I love this little train. It's always been one of my favorites, and I'm glad we were able to still incorporate it. Up here, you're going to see some of our DIY garland. We made this completely from Dollar Tree products. The only thing missing from the top of the cabinets is our Christmas village, but that's because that is currently under construction here. I just love the way this garland turned out. Chance and I made this together, and he had so much fun too. And then this is actually one of our favorite pieces of home decor that our best friend got us. Not Christmas, we just wanted to share this. And then here, again, for $3, what a big impact that this wall decal made for the kitchen. Absolutely love it.